Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 23rd of June. My software has shown me a system B scalp trade. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes time frame so we can take it. I'm going to take a buy and set my take profit here. This is the account that we started with $250. So far, we're almost at $10,000 profits. This week, we've made almost 4,000 profits in total. Last time, we made about $250 in a scalp trade. Remember to click like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you have the notification bells on. If you want to copy my trades, make sure you sign up with Milga Markets, the broker that I use. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. If you want to learn with me by taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, and live hedging trades, which covers hedging means making profit to cover your loss, so you have no losses in your account even if your trade goes bad, which is how you can compound your account very fast like I do. Make sure you go to hedgingmastermind.com, and the software that does all the analysis comes free with the course. You can also get it on TradingView, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, we're back, and as you can see, dumb money is being fooled again. The markets went on a sell to make dumb money traders take a sell, and while they are selling, I was adding additional buys. So we're going to take all dumb money's losses and take it all the way to the bank. We're going to take their losses as profit. This is what is taught in the course. Okay, and very soon we should be in a lot of profits from dumb money's mistake. When I say go up, the markets must go up. Dumb money was fooled into taking sales, and now we're moving very fast into profits in the market. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. And we're moving closer and closer to hitting our take profits. Oh, there you go. Take profits hit. Let's see how much we made. $300, 320, 192, 17. In total, we made $680 scalping in 2 hours. This is how it's meant to be done. Dumb money tried to make the market tried to make dumb money take sales, and some people did take sales. That is why we're able to profit off their losses. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. It comes with the software, and you will learn with live trades how to scalp trade, how to swing trade like I do. We will take live swing trades, live scalp trades, and live hedging so that you can know how to save your account from losses. And remember, if you want to copy my trades for free, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. And yeah, we'll be right back with another video once we have a scalp trade. We've been scalping this account with $250. We made almost $5,000 this week, and we've made over $10,000 scalping this account. We've withdrawn our deposits, and we've been trading free with the market's money. If you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. We'll be right back with another scalping video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bells on.